Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change tabs view on Telegram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Telegram application on my computer, and as you can see, my tabs view is on the left side, and I'm going to change it to top. Okay, if you want to change your tabs view, you can go to the edit here, or you can go to the setting. And I'm just going to click on edit because it's faster. And then you're going to choose the tabs view here. You can choose tabs on the left or tabs at the top. And I'm going to change it to tabs at the top. And let's see how it looks. Okay, the tabs view is changed and it's at the top right now. And if you want to get back the previous tab views, you can go to the setting. Wait, let me select settings here and go to folder, and you can change the tabs view. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change tabs view on Telegram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.